Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best photo editor for creators on Mac by comparing Photoshop and Pixelmator Pro. If you're looking for the best photo editor as a Mac user in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Pixelmator Pro is an image editing software for Mac OS, which enables businesses to modify images using presets, retouching, and vector tools, design shapes, spacing guides, and more. Creative professionals can combine, mix, rearrange, apply, or remove effects such as blur, distortion, halftone, stylize, sharpen, and tile, among others. Pixelmator Pro allows managers to customize the font color, size, and alignment, add superscript or subscript text, and adjust emphasis using various typography features. It offers quick, magnetic, and color selection tools, which help businesses choose and apply effects and copy required objects from one image to another. The software also leverages machine learning technology to automatically enhance images, improve resolution, and remove camera noise according to individual requirements. Pixelmator Pro provides several texture brushes, watercolors, crayons, markers, and pencils for users to create digital paintings. Photographers, illustrators, designers, and painters can also customize their workspace by moving and selecting tools, layers, and built-in presets. Adobe Photoshop is a photo editing solution offering key features such as image editing, content import, export, pattern, color, and art storage, real-time editing, drag-and-drop functionality, and custom fonts, among others. Adobe Photoshop comes from a wide variety of industries, including design, graphic design, and computer software. The most frequent use case for Adobe Photoshop cited by reviewers is photo editing. However, some users report that the subscription is expensive, inconvenient, and less appealing compared to cheaper alternatives. The software's flexibility in creating stunning artwork, manipulating photos, and enhancing photo quality. Users find it valuable for tasks like background removal, color correction, and adding effects. Also, the seamless integration with other Adobe products and the helpful tutorials available. Some note a learning curve but emphasize the powerful and versatile tools once mastered. Of the 462 Adobe Photoshop users who gave detailed accounts of their use of image editing, 98% rated this feature as important or highly important. Photoshop includes key features like text editing, preview functionality, design management, custom brushes, file management, interactive content, design templates, image library, and content sharing. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.